Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody's doing great. Welcome back. Welcome back to existing followers. Welcome to new followers. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to activate notification because, as you can see, I am not. I'm actually late. What time is it? Like 7:50. Yeah. Late. I don't have a specific time, but usually I go on around like 7:30 ish. Are we laggy? God, it looked like my screen is laggy. So I'm not sure. Can anyone confirm if the sound is good and the image is good? That'll be great. Good morning, Sasha. I hope you and your family are doing great. Yeah, we're doing amazing, man. I had a fantastic long weekend. This was perfect. Morning, all. Morning, Mernus. How you doing, bud? Bilal, good morning. All right. Um, Sound is good. Image is a little laggy. Yeah, that's what I thought. Hmm, that's so weird. I might have to I might have to restart my computer here. All right, guys. Let me see. Can I just exit the Okay, we're going to attempt something, guys, okay? We're going to attempt something. It's not too bad. Video is lagging. Yeah, okay. Let me try to do a restart, okay? So, I'm going to say stay with us coming back in, let's say, 3 minutes, I guess. Yeah, okay. Let me do a restart. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, are we back? Are we back? I think my mic was on. Are we back, guys? I think we're back. Is better? Is it better? Please let me know. Are we good? Let me know, guys. I'm trying to fix something at the same time, so bear with me. Tell me what's going on here. So fucking stupid. What's happening? I'm almost there, guys. Almost there. Sorry. There we go. Cool. Sorry, guys. I look like I'm really, I'm really focused here, trying to fix this thing. I'm almost with you guys. I don't know what's going on here. What the hell? I don't know what I did. Here we go. Okay, so now let's try to do this, and let's bring this window to this side. I think I'm almost there now. Whatever. Oh, here we go. Finally. Okay, we're back. Okay. Okay, sorry guys. God. Okay. We're good. We're good now. Much better. Okay, cool. All good now. Much better. Okay, awesome. Let's see. Let's see. Morning, Emmy. How are you doing? All good. Good morning, fam. All right, cool. Sorry guys. Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't know what happened. It was laggy on my side too, so I was like, all right, let's do a restart. Okay, so enough talking, more trading. For this, I need my screen. Let's get the screen going here. Here we go. Perfect. Let's get that banner. I do apologize. I'm so late this morning. All right, cool. All right, you guys ready? Let's do this thing. There we go. Perfect. All right, cool. So let's start with GJ. So, by the way, guys, as you're coming in, make sure. Man, my chair is making some squeaky stuff. What? How you call that? Funky noise. Whatever. Okay, let's focus. Whew, dude, I'm so tired. Okay, it's only Monday. Actually, Tuesday. All right. So GJ, we are bullish on the weekly time frame right now. We're creating a new high. So I mean, for swing, it's not the ideal. Actually, not interested really right now. The only thing we're gonna need now is a pullback on the daily. Let's remove this. Let's establish our new area of interest on the. Let's see on the weekly. Do we have anything else? No, I think we're at the highest point for like a long time ago. The only thing I would see as a retest here will be that previous structure right here to the left. Where's my tools? Here we go. Perfect. So the only thing I would see here is the retest of previous structure here, or probably a retest somewhere in the gold, not retest, but actually pull back inside a golden zone. But we don't have a bearish candle yet, so we're gonna use our fib. So what about the 4 hour? 4 hour. I mean, when you have something like this, I mean, when you have your weekly and your daily bullish, creating new high. The only thing I would look maybe for a day trade if the 4 hour pullback nicely into the golden zone right here for continuation move. So I might be interested in that. Since I've been like mostly scalping and day trade GJ. Let's see here, H4 golden zone. There we go. Perfect. Excellent. So I'm gonna place an alert here because I might be willing to take this as a day trade for continuation move. Entering H4 GZ. There we go. Perfect. The other thing also with this one would be the H4 dogtail setup. We're going to talk about that one a little later on. So now let's move on to GA. GA. Oh, exactly what I. Fuck. I hope I didn't miss the move. Because I didn't look at the chart yesterday at all. It was a long weekend for us. So I didn't look at all, but this is exactly what we planned last week. This is exactly what we planned last week, ladies and gentlemen. Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, cool. All right. All right, so we're good. We're still good. So here we're bearish on the weekly. We are bullish on the daily because we got the retest of the daily area of interest, which is also the weekly golden zone. This is beautiful right now. This is really beautiful. Okay, amazing. So we got a 4-hour bullish also. Amazing. So I think this thing is setting up nicely. I think someone messaged me to say that it was already in GA, I think, to go to the downside, but that was way too early. Way too early. Yeah, this pullback is beautiful. Plus, we're retesting major QP also. So we got major QP here, rejection, weekly golden zone, daily area of interest. I mean, you want confluence? Let's go. Confluence is everywhere. Okay, so now what we're waiting for, basic. We need the daily to go bullish. So to go bearish, sorry. So the best thing now would be for the daily to continue to move here, do something like this, something like this, retest, and to the downside. So it's not gonna happen today, but it's definitely looking nice. So honestly, like best scenario will be something like this, this, maybe something like this, retest, go to the downside, take the entry somewhere in here. Like, because the higher we go, the better the RR, right? So, I mean, because if not, now you gotta wait for price to go down here, retest to continue the downside, which kind of sucks. But if it is that situation, I mean, I'll go with it for sure. But it would be better if we have this break of structure to closer to the area of interest. Okay, so hopefully that makes sense. That one was pretty easy, pretty simple. Also, so Euro NZD. Let's see in the chat if we have. Oh yeah, I cannot see the question right now. Hold on. If I do a refresh here, can I do it? Can I see it? Oh, here we go. Perfect. Now I see it. Okay, let me go check the question here. Good morning, Krish. How are you guys? Hey guys, as you're coming in, don't forget to smash the goddamn like button. Okay, so let's do Euro NZD, ladies and gentlemen. And by the way, if you have any pairs you want to look that you want me to break down, please let me know in the chat. Weekly time frame, we are bearish here. That's something we break down during last Forex Talk over beer. By the way, last Forex Talk over beer last week was on Friday. So uh, okay, what about daily? Okay, so now we got the weekly bearish having a nice pullback. We got the daily bearish having a nice pullback, retesting daily area of interest. Let's see here, which is also pretty much, this one's going to be pretty much in sync with the daily golden zone. I know it's going to look like a mess right now, but just for learning purposes. So you see, pretty good. Do we also have a major QP here? No. Right here. Okay, cool. Actually, there's one here. Boom. And we already broke it. Okay, cool. Perfect. So that is good. So we got a weekly and the daily bearish. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour. So the 4-hour flipped bullish. So let's change this, higher high. And this is not really enough. Because we're having this elbow to the upside. I don't like this elbow. I really don't. So let's take a look at the 2-hour. So 2-hour, we have an elbow here. Okay, cool. Okay, so no matter what, so same thing with Euro NZD here. Honestly, I will not look at the switch of structure on the 4-hour because I don't like this elbow. So when this happened, I look at the 2-hour. Okay, I look at the 2 hour or I look at the 1 hour. I'm gonna wait for the break of structure on this one. So in this case, you need to, well, it's already flipping bearish right now. So where are my lines here? Here we go. Perfect. So here, let's do it. 1 hour lower high, 1 hour lower low. Man, guys, this morning my allergies are so bad. It's not even funny. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Yeah, I think well, okay, so yeah, okay, the day is nice. Okay, perfect. Yep. Okay, guys, sorry, I'm talking to myself right now. I look like crazy. All right, so this is what we want. Let's take a look at the 4 hour once again. Yeah. Anyways, I think the 4 hour is gonna go higher. The best again, once again. So that would be the same thing. So if we can create a new high here, break the low, retest, that will be what I want. Because the thing is, okay, put it this way. Most of the time, I would say like most of the time, again, not every time, but most of the time, you will actually see a real retest, not just a wick, but actually candles in this area. So I'm not in a rush to take Euro NZD, but this is setting up nicely also. So G and Euro NZD has some great potential for the upcoming days. Let's see CAD GPY. CAD GPY. We are bullish on the weekly. We are bullish on the daily. 4 hour is now bullish. Okay. So this, boom, and here we go. You see with those lines, it makes your life so much easier, so much cleaner. So look at this now. So now we are bullish on the weekly, bullish on the daily. 4 hour is now bullish. We have the pullback here. Okay, what about 1 hour? So 1 hour was, where's the other line? Here we go. Actually, let's delete that for now. Okay, so this went bullish from here to here. And after that, we went bearish from there to there. And now we are bullish. Okay. So 1 hour high and 1 hour high low. Okay, cool. So now let's recap CAD GPY. Bullish on the weekly, bullish on the daily, 4 hour bullish, 1 hour just flip back bullish. So I think we can have a nice continuation here with CAD GPY. It's not the best scenario since, like, I mean, we are in that range here. We already had a pullback. We didn't create a high here. It's not ideal, to be honest. It's very not. So if I do take this trade for just continuation move, since I'm in between those two zones on the weekly, like between those two lines, we didn't create. We're not actually. I mean, the weekly still look nice, but I don't like that small body candle after this big one. So it seems to me that we might have a push down. But have we break have we broke the previous high here? Okay, so since we broke, okay, so this is something important. Since we broke this previous week here, the probability are higher for price to continue to the upside now. So okay, I might be willing, but I'm gonna be taking a lower risk trade, like probably just 1% uh, on this one, if we have a pullback on H1 and engulfing candle. So let's do the 30-minute lines. Here we go. So let's take a look. So it went bullish from there to there, and after that it went bearish. Yes, we have a pull. We have an elbow there. This one, boom, boom, bullish. Okay, cool. Whoa, what did I do? Oh, this one is at 30 minutes, actually. That's why. Oh, what's going on? Do we have news? What time is it? There's volume kicking in. Hold on, wait a second. I didn't even check this morning, to be honest. All right, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. What do we got? Oh, damn, we got CPI for CAD. Okay, man, that chair. I'm about to. Yeah, I'm gonna order a new chair. Um, yeah, that's why this Kindle is pumping right now. We got some CPI news for CAD. Okay, what else? AD is. Let me go see the chat here. What else we got? Krish, check out ADCAD, EuroCAD, looking super clean. Yes, I will. ADCAD. You know what? Let's start with that. ADCAD and EuroCAD. ADCAD. Perfect. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out, ladies and gentlemen. This trade suggestion is coming from Krish. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly here. Okay. So we are bullish on the weekly time frame. Daily bullish. Do we have a pullback here? Yeah, looks like it. We got an elbow here. Okay. Boom. There we go. Cool. Okay, so now that we are bullish on the weekly, we are bullish on the daily. Which area of interest? Actually, previous structure point is going to be retested. Wow, this is pretty much, yeah, okay. And what about major QP here? Do we have one? No. Okay, cool. And what about golden zone? Actually, the push ended up here. Okay, so golden zone is going to be in sync with the previous structure here on the daily, so that's good. So let's mark it down. Boom. There we go. The golden zone. There we go. Gonna place an alert. Entering daily. GZ. Yeah, okay. I think that makes sense. Krish, weekly, daily, waiting for the pullback, 4 hour structure. Let's see. Here we are bullish. Boom. And here we got our high low. And yeah, so let me delete this here. Remove. There we go. Perfect. So right now, 4 is bullish, but it looks like it might go bearish now, which is good. Honestly, I would prefer this. Boom, break above, retest, go to the upside. Okay. So let's put it blue. It's not ready yet, but let's do it. So what was the other one? EuroCAD. Okay. So let's take a look. EuroCAD. Okay. EuroCAD. I don't like the fact that EuroCAD's been like so rangy, but let's take a look here. Daily created new high. We're about to have the pullback, so let's see where the pullback might go. So pullback probably gonna go around the 147.659 or 660, whatever, around this area. Here we go. Daily golden zone, perfect. To be honest, I don't like so much EuroCAD right now. So I'm gonna leave it on the side. EduCAD, yes. EuroCAD, I don't know. No, I don't like it. What else? What else? What else? All right, so we got a chart here coming from Bilal. So let's go check it out, guys. I love when you guys send your charts. So let me go check. Boom, 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 boom. Copy link. There we go. And now I need to do this. Perfect. All right, cool. So here we got Bilal's chart. What is it? So we got Australian. Yeah, okay. So AD/USD. We're looking at the daily time frame. So basically, you're expecting, what is this pullback here? The first area that you have, I don't know if you count that as a touch, but it's not really. This one, yes. So I don't know what else on the left. So I'm gonna have to go check. So this first area, first, if you have like a tiny pullback like this, I would not really, be interested. But this one, yes. This one makes total sense. Like this area makes a lot of sense. You got one, two, three, four, you got four touches. Plus this should be a pullback pretty much around the golden zone. So that would make a lot of sense. Let me go check on my chart actually. 80 USD. Yeah, it was in blue anyways. So we're about to break it down. Oops, what's going on here? Hello. Went to test check. What's going on? What is going on here? Am I losing internet? What's going on here? Oh, here we go. Trading View's having like some problem lately. Um. Okay, so let's check it out. 80 USD. Okay, so let's take a look here. We got the weekly bullish, bearish. I mean, sorry. So we got the weekly bearish. So that's the only thing that really sucks. It's been like ranging since 2 years now, almost August 2022. So weekly is bearish, so you got to keep that in mind. But weekly is bullish, so you can go for a day trade. Um, yeah, like I said, at this area, why do I have this area? Oh, because I put in the weekly time frame. Yeah, okay. So this is the weekly area. I don't. Yeah, yeah, it's decent. Yeah, one, two, three, four, five. Yeah, okay. It's a decent weekly area of interest, but I really don't like it. Like, I really like this one as a daily area of interest. Yeah. So let's do this here. Yep, that makes a lot more sense. Plus, it's gonna be retesting also previous structure. That's also gonna be golden zone. There we go. So yes, that would make more sense, and that's gonna be a day trade. Don't forget, because you're going against your weekly. Um, and the 4 hour right now, 4 hour still bullish. Cool. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So yeah, just got to be patient, but this should be a nice day trade. But again, be very careful. We're going against a weekly. Just keep that in mind. Um, and yeah, that's about it. That's good, Bila. Good job. Let's see here. Where am I? I'm so lost on the chat right now. Okay, hey bro, can you show me mention? Oh, hold on, man. Check out 80. Okay. 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 So I was so we just did that one. Now I'm here. Okay, sorry guys, I'm so late on the chat. What I'm waiting for GJ. Okay, wait a second. Let's go check it out. I love when you guys sending charts, guys. I love it. Let's go this one. Oh, why is this one not working? Let me try again. So copy link. So let's try. Wait, what? What the fuck? How is that possible? Sorry, guys. Copy link. Let's try this again. There we go. Okay, so that's mine. Now I'm gonna go copy minus one. Copy. Oh, maybe. Sorry, guys. Okay, let's do this again. Okay, so your chart's not working, Marnus. So you have to, I don't know if you did that, but you got to go click the camera button on the top right corner and you're going to click on copy link. And once you paste it here, just send me this portion, backslash X to the rest. That's it. So that's the best, the only way you can send a chart. Okay, so meanwhile, let's move on. Marnus, hi bro, can you show me your magic key setting after I'll watch record and we'll check everything? Yes. The thing it's on my other computer. I didn't realize when I told you that on the chat. Um Actually, can I do hold on. So I'm gonna start this other computer. And I'll try to do a screenshot and send it to this computer, I guess. Okay, so anyone that wants the magic key setting, just send me a DM. I'll do a screenshot later on and send it to you guys because it's gonna take forever. You're walking pad, yeah, I know it's way, dude. I'm not this morning. Like it's way too warm right now. It's too hot, and my AC is not working. The guy's coming to fix it supposedly tomorrow, so I can't wait because holy, it's warm. Um, Social scientist. Hey, Sasha, can you explain previous structure? I attended Alex bootcamp, but didn't understand well. Previous structure. Okay. Yeah, sure. Very simple. Very, very simple. Let me put the screen bigger. Okay. So, so let me grab an example here. So here, let me try to grab a pair that's trending. It's maybe just easier to understand. Um, Here we go. Okay, so that's good. That's a good example, actually. So you see, every time that market will break what we call a structure point. A structure point is where we got a resistance or support, basically. You know. So let me actually let's go back in time here. Okay, I think that here makes sense. So we're coming down to the downside, right? So if you see, well, here we don't have a structure. Here we're going to establish a structure point here, which is our support, right? So here we have a resistance. And once we broke that support, price came up to retest previous structure point to come down to the downside, right? We came up here, retesting previous structure. We actually passed it a little bit and we came back lower, okay? Once we go to the upside, you see price came down here. I mean, you see those wick came down to retest previous structure point that we just broke here, right? So it did it on two shot, but we still retested it, right? So most of the time, price will retest previous structure. Why am I looking through this screen? I can have this screen for me, but yeah. So hopefully that's more clear. But yeah, same thing here. Like anywhere you'll see price trending. Like I'll give you a perfect example. Okay, like Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is funny because um, back then I called Bitcoin at 12K, and one of the reason was because look at this. Since we broke that structure here on August 2020, actually here we broke it here on October 2020. We broke that structure point, that resistance in 2020. But look happened what after that. We never came back retesting it. Okay? Never. So, and there, if you look at charts, you'll see that most of the time, when you spend time on charts and you start looking at stuff, you identify some stuff. Okay? And you'll realize that very rarely market will not come retest the structure point at one point, you know. And what happened after that? Look at this. We came down to retest this area, which was this previous structure point here. We were really close to it, right? So we went to 16K, but again, we almost touched it. We still didn't retest it completely in full. But again, those are areas. Don't forget, So it was pretty close. But again, like when you broke structure, look at this. Okay, so price broke here at this point. We came down to retest it. Price, so price breakdown up here, this one has no retest of previous structure. This one, actually, yes. What am I talking about? Look at this wick. We retested previous structure, right? So yeah, it's always the same kind of concept. Okay, so hopefully that's more clear now. Where was I? ADUSD, I think we did it. Let me check the chat now. Okay, so we answered that. But the boot camp was pirated. Really? Okay. Eurocat just broke its strongest resistance on weekly and daily, and just broke its range in which it was sideways. Yes. But still, oh man, that chair drives me nuts. Look at this. And it's like a chair I bought like not even a year ago and paid like $300. Like, people like, no, these days product sucks. Okay, so but answer that. Looking to take buys if we break and retest above the higher area of interest or pull back at the lower area to go long. That was on AED USD, right? Okay, yeah. AED USD, yeah, correct. Yeah, that makes sense. Makes sense. Check out my chart. All right, let's go. Let's go, guys. By the way, guys, smash that goddamn like button as you're coming in. Let's go check this chart. Krish. Where are you? Where is it? Social scientist. Hold on, wait a second. Where is this? That's Krish. Krish, where are you? So weird. Like I cannot even copy paste this one. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go manually here. Okay, so copy link. Boom. Now let's do yours manually. So we got KMZPT. ZOY. There we go. Cool. So now we got Krish chart. We're looking at EuroCAD. Major resistance got broke. Okay. Boom. We got a clean range from price to cutting. I love this. I love that you identify. You look left. You look left. You see clean traffic. Oh, give me 1 second, guys. What? Yes, madam. Huh? Good. Sorry, guys. The wifey was leaving. Okay, cool. So let's see. Broke this consolidation. Um, oops. Weekly daily bull far bull. Yeah, I love the fact that you identified that you had clean traffic to the left. Yeah, that's good work. Good work there, Krish. Good job. Man, you guys are getting good at this shit now. Good job. All right, cool. So let's see what's next. And after the boot camp, I'm so consistent and very selective and tricky. Yeah, it's the best thing, dude. You have to be selective. That's very important. How long max you keep open your dogtail setup? For example, I had like 3 hours consolidating almost in the same spot. Yeah, usually I'm out. Yeah, if it start, just because don't forget this strategy. I mean, this strategy. I don't like to call it strategy, but this setup is all based on volume, and an impulse move. So if it's taking forever, it's just beside the point. So yeah, like I might hold it like if I'm in profit or my auto break even got activated. Like, yeah, if my auto break even got activated, I might let it go because the worst case that can happen is I just get out at break even. But if I'm not in profit or barely like in profit, I'll exit. I'll exit just especially if my auto break even didn't get triggered like at 11 pips. I'm pretty much gonna get out. Like if I'm staying like 4 or 5 pips, probably I'm just out. Fuck it. Um, let's try again. Okay, let's do this, buddy. Let's do this. Let's do this. Bam. So here. All right, let's go, Marnus. Okay. So here we're looking at GJ. All right, we're looking at GJ. In bullish on all time frame, looking for buys only. Great. One, higher highs on all time frame. I love when you guys marking your fucking charts like this. Got stop step 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the best way to sorry guys to mark your chart. Okay, high low on H1 in 30 minute. Okay. 3, waiting for a break and retest of a higher high with volume. Okay, so that's the 4 hour. Okay, or yeah, I would definitely love this better, to be honest. Yeah, I would prefer that idea here. Yeah, but good work there, Marnus. Good work. That's good. Sounds good. Yes, sir. Okay, so let's see the chat. Um, is major QP and psych level? Yes. It's just that if you look into it, there's a theory called the major quarter point theory. That's why I call that major QP. And yeah, that's also something that I use in my course also. So Sasha, what do you because there's more into it. All right, so you got the undershot level, the overshot level, where you can expect most of the time like a reversal pattern on those levels. So, anyways, there's a lot into it, but yeah. Sasha, what do you think? Fake gurus and ICT stuff, because in these days there are a lot of hype of ICT and SMC. I, I'm not gonna get started in this bullshit, but there's a lot of bullshit out there. Like I'm not gonna lie, there's a lot of bullshit. Um, I'm not here to point fingers at anyone, but right away, like I don't know, man. No, you know what? I'm not gonna say anything. You know what? I'm not gonna say anything because I just focus on my shit. So, but yes, there's a lot of fake bullshit out there. So you gotta be careful, guys. Gotta be very, very, very careful. You know, people trying to sell strategy and this and that and blah blah blah. And we just started trading like yesterday. So, anyways, and most of the time they're still trading like a demo account, or just anyways. Okay, I'm not gonna start. Like, I don't have the energy this morning to go outrage about those stupid fuckers. Oh, did I say that out loud? Sorry, guys. Oopsie. Okay. Chris learned that from me to look left. Yes. Always look left, guys. Always look left. I had to look left after your video. I have to copy you A to Z if I want to reach out like you, Sensei. Oh, thank you, bro. One question of the Dogtail Friday. I saw you took Dogtail on Friday, but there were wicks bigger than 5 a.m. candle, and 5 minute was in a range. Guess what? Oh, you took the Delta in that range. Hold on. Wait a second. Grab this. Oops. Oopsie. I mean, very simple here. This one was Friday, yeah. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing. I was not looking at 5 minutes at all. I was not looking at anything at all except for this, except for price. Once this one open, I wait for the wick down, and once we break the high here, this is where I get my trade. That's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Very simple. Like nothing else. Like no fancy like analysis. Just that. So 5 a.m. candle. I don't care about the 5 a.m. candle. You know, like the only thing I care about the 5 a.m. candle is if I break that wick. So even if there's bigger wick to the left, I don't care. It's this one I'm looking for. So hopefully that makes sense. All right, guys, don't forget to smash the goddamn like button as you come in, guys. Let's see here. And one last, how much time it takes you to become profitable? I think I explained it on. I think it was 2 years, if I'm not wrong. But again, I suck at keeping tracks of time. But I'm sure if you go here, there's an old podcast here. I think I showed it last time, but how's it called? Trading Minutes. I don't know why I'm always like forgetting about this stuff. There we go. So you see here, I talk about that here. So if you want to listen to it, those are all stuff. This was back when I was only scalping though. But yeah, I think it took me 2 years when I was scalping to become profitable. A full 2 years. So, and again, it doesn't care how much time it takes. It can take you like a month, 4 months, 6 months, 6 years, 5 years, 10 years. Like the reality is like, who cares? Because you can do some crazy income. So even if it take 5 years from now, I don't give a shit. That was my mindset when I got started, right? So I'm like, I don't care how much time it's gonna take. When I'm gonna master this shit, it's something that stay with me forever. So have you checked the journal I sent you, Sensei? Is the result doctor from China? Yeah, I look at it. That's pretty good. Actually, I'm gonna show that to people. Yeah, let's show that because this was pretty interesting. So, Krish, actually, look at this. Can we do this bigger? Uh, what can I do? Oh, open in the browser, I guess. Okay, so can I do this? No. Let's try this. There we go. Cool. So that works. So here is the journal that Krish did with the Dogtail setup since January. Look at this. Current PL. So net profit, take profit, 593 USD. So basically that's a 900, is that right? 994% profit. Is that something right? Hold on, wait a second. No, that's just a Solana. Hold on, wait a second. Oh, oh no, that's not the Dogtail setup. Hold on, sorry guys. Sorry. Was it? Oh, here. I didn't open up the right thing. Sorry guys. God damn. Why it's not opening anymore? Can I download it? Okay. So let's put this here. Here we go. Okay, now I got it, guys. Sorry, man. Okay, so look at this. Let's put this bigger. View 50, 25. Okay, so that should be good. So look at this. So you journal all the trades with the dogtail setup. So basically, all the dates are here. GJ, 4 in favor. So basically, I guess in favor probably mean in same direction. SL always like a 15 pip stop loss. TP 20, which is great. So look at this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 losses total. So that's good. And that's really, really, really good. So 19 wins, 7 losses. Total RR 18.27. Win rate 73%. Damn. Yeah, that's really good, man. That is some good fucking work, man. That's some good fucking work. Awesome, man. This is fucking awesome. Um, Good job, Krish. Um, let's see here. We got 27 trades now with 20 W's. Yeah, that's so sick, man. So sick. Most of the losses came on Friday. Yeah, so that's it. So now you know what to do. You just don't take dogtail setup on Friday now, or you take one with 0.5%. You just reduce your risk since you identified that most of the time was losses on Friday. We need one of your podcasts with Alex. Yes, I told Alex that I will do one once all my shit are figured out with business wise. But yeah, just because I don't like to expose myself too much, especially when I talk about like numbers and money. I really don't like that. The last time I did it, it got me into so much fucking drama with friends, family, customers. It's just like it's pain in the butt. So that's why I keep it low. Um, oh yeah, that was your soul trades. Yes. Think every strategy works with right mindset. Totally, man. I'm Yogi. Help with me journal. Help me with the journal. Oh, um, okay. Krish, we do it, bro, after live session. Okay, cool. So you're gonna help each other out. That's cool. Um, Excellent. It's mind blowing the amount of value on those live streams. Thanks again, bro. Hey, you're welcome, Bilal. Welcome, man. That's the only goal here. That's the only fucking goal. All right, so let's see now. What else we got? I think we broke down 80 CAD. We did 80 USD. Let's do GU now. All right, so GU is bullish. Actually, what am I saying? GU, we are bearish here on the weekly. We are daily. We're bullish on the daily. Oops. So now we just create a new higher high here. Boom. So this one, let's remove this. I was really looking to take it to the downside here, but look like now the daily flip bullish. 4 hours bullish. So now, fuck it. I'm not interested. There we go. NZD USD. NZD USD weekly bullish. Okay. So we came down to like exactly at the area of interest here. Daily is bullish. Hold on 1 second. Weekly. We said weekly is bullish. We have the full pullback here. We broke back above that major QP. So do you like when I'm talking to myself like this, guys? So you can hear the thought process, right? Not that crazy. Okay. So now on the daily, the only thing I'm going to be waiting for is this pullback here. Here we go. The golden zone, perfect. So as you can see, it's also in line with, see, boom, 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 boom. What's here? Boom, another area of interest. So we got here resistance, support. Let's see, do we have a third touch? Yes, third, fourth, you know, fifth. So this is pretty good area of interest right here. Um, so let's identify that. Daily area of interest. There we go. Perfect. Cool. So I'm going to place an alert here. So yeah, this one makes sense. Daily entering GZ. Perfect. This one's actually better. Okay. Let me see the chat here. Uh, can you upload weekly analysis video on Sunday? We do it on Tuesday. So yeah, we do it on Tuesday. With the next group of students, we might do something a little different. I didn't plan everything yet, but yeah, we might do something on Sundays or Monday. I don't know yet. We shall see. GA trade was so solid. Take a look. GA. Yeah, GA right now. I'm just waiting to take it to the downside, baby. But yes, if you took the counter trend trade up to this area for a day trade, yeah, that makes sense. Um, but yeah, now I'm just waiting to go down, baby. Downtown. Let's go downtown. Yeah, bro, Sasha, talking to yourself's the best thing. Yeah. But honestly, like, there's people that would be like tuning in and listen to me, be like, "What the fuck is this guy doing?" You know, he's talking to himself. Yeah, that happened. You know, yeah, bro. Will you have taken yes? What time is it now? 8:40. Okay, I'm gonna have to go soon. Will you have taken yesterday's dovetail as it broke its resistance with the? I would not, because I rarely trade during bank holidays. It's very rare. Uh, but no, that's still not make 20 months. Yeah, that's good. I mean, that's good. That's good, Krish. Like, it would make sense though. Like, if you look at GJ4 hour, so let's go to yesterday. Um, so let's go to groups. So if we look at yesterday, Monday, so this was the, yeah, that makes sense. Look, so you wait to break above, and this stop will be bigger, so I will use a fixed 15 pip stop loss in this case. And yeah, man, you had easy, like it here you have it 3 to 1, so easy able to grab 20 pips, 25 pips here. So yeah, and if you look on the lower time frame, it didn't even come down to your entry. So, and the thing is, if you look here, my auto break even is set at 11 pips. So if you look when you took the trade here, um, oh, you would have been stopped here. You would have been stopped here. What time is that? 9, 9. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So here I would have been stopped if I used like, but if you use under the wick, you would be good. Yeah. If you use under the wick, you would be good. It's just like it's a bigger SL. Like it's like 20 pips. So if you want to do a 1.5, oh yeah, you still have room. So if you would have been using the strategy to put your, because there's two ways to do it. It's under the active wick, which sometimes I do, but most of the time I will take a fixed 15 pip stop loss. you know. But yeah, but I personally would have not taken that trade because I don't break on buy. I don't trade on bank holidays. So, do you have Indian in Canada? Yes, we do. We do have a lot of Indians in Canada. Um, okay, okay. Smash your goddamn knee on that leg button, and if you don't have legs, smash your head. I love it. That's not stop. Wick was made. Oh, okay, it was made before. Okay, then that makes sense. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. No, yeah, totally no. Yeah, so you're really good. So that's good. So yeah, that's why it's very important to wait for the wick to be. Yeah, you're right. Now I'm thinking. Yeah, it makes sense because you waited for the wick to be formed, and now take it to the upside. Yeah, that makes sense now. Sorry, Krish, man. Still early. Didn't have my coffee. I don't drink coffee. That was just a lame excuse. That week's was yeah, okay. Went to that. Okay, what is your win rate? Depends on this setup. On the Doctail setup, it was really high. Like the last time that the last time that the student actually calculated my journal, it was very high. Like it was in the 80 something percent. And if you look at just Krish, what he did journal it completely. Where did I put it? Here. So he tested since January, and you're talking about like a 73% win rate here. So on the Dogtail setup. So that's good. Um, oops. Let's see here. Krish, where can I get your Excel journal? Oh, you guys gotta have to get in touch together. I'm sure Krish is gonna be able to help you out. Okay, what else? I think we're good now. Um, any other pair that guys that you want me to check for you guys? Solana is on the move, baby. Fuck yeah, man. Fuck yeah. We're back. We're back. Solana's back, baby. That's exciting. Um Hey, what about a race here? Oh, by the way, guys, my stuff is ready. Mostly so I noticed people already DM me in the past couple of days. So I did a list of some people, but if you want to send me a reminder to contact you, because I have a way, I mean a way. I have a business proposition for you guys. It's pretty interesting. It's a good way to make some solid incomes to actually, if you want, put in your funding account, not funding account, but into your trading account. Instead of getting funded, you can actually find ways to fund your own account, which I highly recommend. So yeah, so nice business opportunity. Doesn't take a lot. If you're curious, just send me a DM. I'll send you the info. But yeah, it's we're starting to move. We are on the move, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so what time? Okay, I need to go. I was about to come together. Oh, okay. Sometimes we need to wait a lot. Yeah, but that's part of the game, man. Trading is about waiting. I was about to come to Canada too. Had my visa and all on this January, but due to some reason I cancel. We'll talk to you in personal for the reasons, but was my dream to meet you there. Oh man, come on! Now you're gonna make me blush. Um, you think AD Cat will still retrace? It looks like she's running. AD Cat. Let's see. AD Cat. Yo. Well, yeah, but the thing is, we had CPI. We had CPI for cat, so that's why now. Like, there's volume. There's volume now. So, um, but honestly, it looks like we should have that. Well, we kind of have that pullback already. If you look at the 4 hour time frame, we stayed bullish. So we got the weekly, the daily, the 4 hour bullish. Now it was just where's those lines? Oh, they were far away. So look at this. So now We were bearish from here to here on H1, right? So we finally just broke bullish. Okay, I mean, it happened on this candle, but we have no pullback since then. So now I'm going to flip this bullish, boom, boom, boom. And let's take a look at the 30 minute. So 30 minute, let me pick up my lines. So it went bearish from here to here. Here there's not much. Anyways, we just flip bullish now. Boom. Actually, this one flipped back, but no, that's not an elbow. Sasha, that's not an elbow. This is not an elbow. But actually, yes, we have no choice here because we broke under. But anyways, no matter what, we're bullish now. I mean, it's not closed yet. It's closing like in 4 minutes. But can we agree that we're going to become bullish here? It would be crazy that this candle just retraced fully in 2 minutes. That would be insane. It's possible though. But now, if you look at this now, okay, so now let's recap this shit. So if you look into weekly is bullish. Okay, weekly is bullish. We did retest those wicks here, which is previous structure here. Look at this. So you got this area here that we retested. Now, if you look now on the daily time frame had a small pullback here, probably the 382, which is also 382 is also this stuff is here. Yeah, as you see, 382, nice area here. It's also a rejection area. We almost came down to that golden zone. Don't forget, those are areas. So for me, yeah, it's still decent, especially if this daily candle now close above this, and that's gonna be easy peasy. 4 hours still bullish. So now the only thing we were waiting was for H1 to go bullish now. So yeah, that's fine. I'm not willing to take the trade here though. I'll be waiting for the pullback and take it to the upside. If this doesn't happen, I don't give a shit. I'm gonna take another trade. You know, like I don't force trade. I just wait for the trades to happen. You know, and that's probably the hardest thing to do. Is just wait. You know, I know it sounds crazy, but it is one of the toughest part of trading. Um, okay. Boom, boom, boom. I'm your neighbor. Okay. Uh, okay. Okay, you guys talking to each other. Okay. Sensei, I told you Sol is making shampoo pattern. Yep. You don't Sol at 147. Woohoo! 65% in profit. Let's go, baby. Good one, man. Good job. Cool. All right, awesome. All right, so any last questions, guys? Let's see. Any last questions? Think we're good? All right, guys. So once again, thank you so much for showing up this morning. Very appreciate every single one of you. I'll be live once again on Thursday night for Forex Talk Over Beer. Don't miss the show. It's around 6 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you bring your drinks with you because we're going to have some fun. So if you have any question, reach out to me on my DM on IG or Discord. Thank you so much, guy. Once again, wish you an amazing day. Trade safe. Don't do anything stupid. Ciao.